could you please tell us who you are and a little bit about yourself?
So this is Anvesha from Jaipur Rugs. I look after the foundation part. Jaipur Rugs is all about making rugs. We are mainly focusing on handmade carpets and hand tufted, which is in hand tufted is in Mirzapur. Now we are looking after 2 states, is Rajasthan and UP. So we are basically focusing on handmade carpets over here.
And is there a mission and vision statement that is particular to Jaipur Rugs that sets it apart in the market?
Yeah, so we are more focusing on the grassroots level works what we do. So we are focusing on the empathetic sides and the integrity and the dignity of the people who are working over here, and also we are more focusing on how the heritage we do, like handmade carpets, which can be a sustainable for the people of the weavers as well as for the people over working over here in HO. So that's the thing.
Perfect. And could you tell us more about the history of the company, and could you further go into the specifications of how many weavers you support?
Yeah, so we are, it is established in the year of 1978. So we are around now, we have across 40,000 plus artisans and 600 plus villages. We are working currently over here. And yes, it is a company where you can see that we are mostly into grassroots level works, and for the weavers we usually have many welfare programs and for the training of their weavers as well.
How did you feel about Knowledgeum Academy showing their interest in coming here?
Overall, I can say it was a great experience over here with you guys, because I can see that you are very enthusiastic to know the things more, and you are getting the things that more into the grassroots levels and how it got started. So it was overall a great experience with you guys, and yes, of course, we are looking forward to have you again in this platform. So thank you so much.
Perfect. Thank you.